Good morning, beautiful people. How are you? I hope you are good and fine. Welcome once again to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking. Thank you for stopping by. So today, as you can see, I'm in the kitchen setting, right? Yes, I'm in the kitchen. So I want to be preparing this for my breakfast. Okay, beautiful Malaysian breakfast. This is curry. I'm not sure I've tried this particular brand before, but some of you said this is what Malaysians like. Am I right? Please let me know in the comment section below if it is true. Maggi, okay, Kari. So let's try it. I can't wait to try it. Okay guys, so today I'm going to be cooking this noodle as I've told you guys earlier on. So the stove is here already. I will just on, okay. I've on the fire, just normal, right? So yeah, the stove is on. And let's put the noodles. I'll be preparing just two. I think two is okay for me for breakfast. Okay, actually my breakfast is almost turning to lunch. But two is okay for me. So, sorry if you are not seeing the camera very well, but I will try. So yeah, just put the noodles as you can see like this. Okay. And so there's just only one thing I saw. Normally the noodles I'm used to, they used to have like almost more than one, you understand, like different stuff. But this one only one, so I don't know, but we're going to open it and see what's inside later. So yeah, we'll put this one, the second one, put it inside. Oh, open now. That's why I don't really know these cooking videos, man. It's not easy. I try to avoid it most times. Please, if you are new, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Or it is not only cooking we do here, we do many things, okay? In fact, we don't even cook so much like that. This is just a special video. So I will wait a little bit before I put these ones, okay? While something is boiling. So while it is boiling, I will wait a little bit to allow this one to boil a little bit, or will I say to simmer a little bit before I now continue the other process. So what's the next thing to do? I'm going to boil egg right here. Okay, I'm going to boil egg right here. So I have my egg already. Let me quickly boil the egg, guys. I know some people prefer fried egg, right, for the noodles, but for me, I prefer the boiled one. So I'm going to boil the eggs. I will boil 2 eggs. Okay. I will boil 2 eggs. These are the eggs. Can you guys see? These are the eggs, okay? So I will wash them and then boil them quickly. So let me see. Normally in my country, we have noodles also, but there's what they call Indomie noodles. That one is very common. In fact, I even know their companies, and they have other ones as well, basically. But this particular brand is not in my country. So I think this should be Malaysian brand, actually. So yes, egg is boiling. So you can see, egg is boiling on this side, while the noodles is already doing its own work. I can't wait to eat. So what is the next thing to do now? The next thing to do now is to cut some things. I have some pepper, very small, right? And I have onions and garlic there. I don't know if you can see them. So yeah, let's use this pepper to garnish the old noodles, and the onions will also do some great work, and the garlic. So I'm not using all the onions, by the way. So this is how my kitchen looks. It's just somehow, but yeah, that's my own shelf. You know, we have other housemates in this house anyways. You know, to cut cost, if you are staying long term, it's good to share the houses. There's upstairs, and then that's my own side there. Many of you are saying that you want a house tour or something. I'll think about it. So let's cut the pepper and all that, guys. So can you see me? I will first of all remove all this stuff. Just, you know. Wow, women are trying, oh. Women are trying. The cooking stuff. Cooking is not easy, sha. On the nylon of the noodles, they said it's 2 minutes. But you know, if we want to do all the extra things, it may be more than 2 minutes, right? But on the nylon of the noodles, they said 2 minutes. So, yeah. So these are the things I just want to cut quickly, and I'll put it. So yeah, guys, my noodles is now looking more transformed. Look at the pepper I'm going to add there. Can you see that? Very delicious, right? Yes. So let's go. Join me as I come and decorate these noodles. This camera battery is almost going, guys. Let's try to be fast. So we put all this one into this. Okay. And we start to turn. Okay. Now I think the noodles is getting ready. It is time to put the spices and all those things. So these are the spices. Like I said, I'm very surprised, guys. I only saw 2 spices inside. Like seriously. So put. So yeah. They didn't put all those oil, all those other things, just 2 spices. But anyways, the taste will speak. What's the problem, man? You just open up this. Wow, this is looking good. I wish you guys can see. The next thing is to turn this one. Okay, so guys, I'm going to put some oil. Actually, why this oil is black, what I do is that this oil is like a remainder oil, you understand? From maybe other things I've prepared and stuff like that. Sure you get. I think I should increase this egg. So let's see what's happening. Can you guys see the wonderfulness? It's already burning, actually. I'm surprised. But anyways, you're going to see the output. Is this a fail? It looks good, the color is not bad. So you guys will see the output, guys. I have to charge this battery, but I'm going to show you the output when everything is ready. That's the egg. So catch you guys when I'm about to eat.
Eventually.
Hey guys, how are you? Welcome once again. So we are back to another eating display, right? So today, as you can see, I'm having a very special delicacy. Can you guys see it? And this is noodles, okay? Malaysian noodles. If I'm wrong, please correct me, okay? And I have 2 eggs here. Some of you like it fried, but I prefer boiled egg with noodles, okay? So this is kari noodles. I showed you the carton, right? Yeah. So I just went out the other day to buy some stuff from the shop nearby, and I felt like, some of you mentioned this thing. I just remember that some of you mentioned the issue of me trying the kari noodle, okay? So I cook it myself, as you can see. Let me know what you think about my cooking skills. So I'm going to do something. I will slice this egg into 2, okay, something like this. Yeah, so I'm going to just be taking small and taking with the noodles and show you guys how this really tastes. So let's start. If you are new, please subscribe. We have many things on this channel. You can check my other videos. So basically, you can see how I garnish the noodles with a lot of things, you know, just to make it make sense. Let me taste first and see. Is there any chili here? I think I have to taste one more to be able to tell you guys anything yet. This is entering into my brain. Wow. This is good, man. This is very good, guys. It's actually far from what I expected. Because number one, I was looking at the noodles. The noodles are looking very tiny. Okay, that's my first impression. Normally the other noodles used to be long, but this one looks quite short. But the taste is powerful. Man, I like the taste. Wow. This is good, but it's very hot. Now I cannot distinguish where the hotness is coming from. That's the spicy level. Because I also put a lot of chili, you know. So many different kind of chili, as you can see. You saw when I was cutting it, right? So yeah, when I was preparing it, I mean. But the spice here is just one spice. I was surprised. Just one complete spice, but it looks red. So I think it's going to be also very spicy. It's hot, but the taste is marvelous. Okay, this is a good breakfast. The taste is great. And it's quite soft, very soft of course. I think this will be good for children also. Of course, children are the main consumers of noodles, right? But in Malaysia, that's in my country. But in Malaysia, I think noodles is like a normal food. Everyone eats it. In my country, children and students, like university students, college students, some of them will not cook any other thing, you know. This is what they will be cooking every day. Like they buy cartons. Some of them, when they are going to school, especially the females, they buy in cartons, you understand, of the noodles. Those are going to boarding school or going back to university or stuff. So this is a very wonderful delicacy in my country. Oh. Wow. Like, wow. I'm enjoying this so much, guys. You don't know what's going on here until you join. Come and eat, oh, come and join me. You know, there's a level the food will be sweet that you will even forget about whether it is spicy or not. That's the level I am right now, guys. It's so spicy, but so interesting. Okay, I'm going to give my judgment at the end with regards to this Malaysian noodles and the noodles I'm used to back home in Nigeria. Okay, also the mixture with egg is really, really good. Which one do you guys prefer? Noodle curry with boiled egg or with fried egg? Let me know in the comment section below. For me, I prefer boiled. I know that the people that prepare it outside, they will be pro, right? I've not tried it outside before, actually, funny enough. I think the only time I've tried noodles before, but not like this kind of noodle, right? Like I've tried all those special ones with all those Chinese noodle and all that. But I've not like gone out to try a noodle like this before. Maybe I'm gonna try in a Malaysian restaurant one day and see how the taste is. In my country, we have some places like on the roadside, especially in the northern part of the country. I schooled in the north, so we have where they sell these noodles, you know, you understand? We call them aboki. They will be selling the noodles with bread, with egg. Sometimes they'll do fried egg, depending on what you want, you understand? It's just so amazing. I remember when I was in my university, my bachelor days, there's one just in front of our university gate. Anytime we are hungry like this, or we just want to go out and do stuff, we just go out, go to the gate. No matter how tired you are, we walk to the gate of the university, the big campus, and we go straight to that man, the aboki guy, who sells all these things like a kiosk, you know, and so amazing. You just sit down there, wait for your order. Delicious noodles, Indomie noodles with egg and bread and tea. Me, I'm even just taking my 100 plus because I don't want to drink anything hot for now. Okay, this helps to, you know, subside the hotness because this thing is very hot. So you understand, like I was telling you in my story. So we go there and enjoy ourselves with that noodles and all that. Sometimes when I go to school during exams, I read till night time, and I'm going back, I must branch that side. It's just so amazing. To be sincere, this is so good, guys. You can see I'm almost done with the food. I'm going to round it up because the battery is going again. So what do you guys think about these noodles that I just tried now? Do you think it's something you would love to try? It's so amazing. It's tasty, delicious, spicy. Also depends on the way you prepare it. How do you prepare your own noodles? Let me know. We can learn from each other, okay? I like my videos to be educative, even though it's entertaining, but it should be entertaining and educative at the same time, okay? So let me know in the comment section below, how do you prepare your curry noodles? Curry noodles, okay? How do you prepare it? Do you prefer boiled egg or fried egg to take with it? What drink do you like to take alongside with your noodles? So let me know all these details in the comment section below. If you are new, please subscribe. If you are old and you are subscribed and you don't see my notification, then turn on that notification bell today so that you will be among the first people that will see my videos whenever I upload. Anyways, I name my humble self Bolu. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching me do this stuff again. Share the video with your loved ones. Let them know about the black guy in Malaysia touring around Malaysia, trying Malaysian food, making beautiful videos for you guys. What do you want to see in the next video? Let me know in the comment section below. Till then, stay positive, be sincere, be simple. Don't let anybody steal your joy. Much love and God bless you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.